Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force closing apps on Sony Bravia or other Android smart TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by hitting the home button on your remote. Open Apps from the left sidebar. Locate the app you want to force quit. Hold down the OK button on your remote to open a pop-up menu. Click Info. On the next pop-up, click Force Stop and then click OK. That app has now been force closed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.